Artificial intelligence isn't just changing the way we live and work, it is rewriting the rules of wealth as well. And faster than any other boom in human history. Because this year alone, dozens of new billionaires have been minted, born from AI startups that in months have gone from bright ideas to companies worth billions of dollars. According to a report by CNBC, there are now nearly 500 private AI companies valued at over $1 billion each. Together, they are worth $2.7 trillion. 100 of them didn't even exist before 2023. Stock prices of giants like Nvidia, Meta, and Microsoft have increased as well. Data centers, computing power, and AI engineers are all cashing in on the frenzy that is AI. According to MIT researchers, we've never seen personal wealth created at this speed or scale ever before. For example, Meera Murati, once at OpenAI, launched her own AI firm called Thinking Machines Lab. And in February, that was when it was launched. By July, it was valued at $12 billion after raising the biggest seed round in history. Then there's Anthropic AI, which reportedly is in talks to raise $5 billion at a valuation of $170 billion. That's nearly 3 times its valuation in March. Its CEO and its 6 other founders are now likely multi-billionaires. That's according to the CNBC report. Then there is Anysphere. It was valued at $9.9 billion in a June fundraiser, and just weeks later, it was reportedly offered a valuation of $18 billion to $20 billion, which means that its 25-year-old founder, that's the age, and CEO, Michael Truell, is a billionaire. So here's the thing. What separates these new crop of billionaires is that unlike the dot-com boom of the late 1990s, most of these companies are in no hurry to go public. It's because venture capital, sovereign wealth funds, and family offices and other tech investors are constantly giving them investment so that they can stay private longer and keep growing. But that does not mean that there are no other ways to cash out. A booming secondary market now lets them sell their private shares to other investors without an IPO. These deals, called secondary sales or tender offers, are now becoming common. Some founders are even borrowing against their shares, using their stake in the company like collateral for a loan. It's a way to turn paper wealth into real money long before the company ever hits the stock market. OpenAI itself is planning a share sale to give employees cash at a jaw-dropping $500 billion valuation. It's an AI good rush. AI is minting billionaires, but whether it's minting lasting fortunes, that's a story still being written.